What's up, Elite Algo members? In this video, I'm going to show you guys our brand new update for Elite Algo version 29. In this video, we're going to go over every single one of its features and how to use every single one of its features inside your trades, whether you're trading Forex, crypto, stocks, you name it. This algo works for that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's start showing you guys the first feature that we added to the algorithm. So just like before, guys, in order to access the settings for the Elite Algo, it's the exact same as version 28. What we're going to do here is simply just hover over where it says Elite Algo 29 in the corner, or simply just right click one of the signals and then hit settings. Very, very, very simple. So we can hit the settings icon here or right click a signal and hit settings. And it's going to bring us into the settings page for Elite Algo. Now, in this video, what we're going to do is just go over all the new things that we've added. I'll be making a separate video in the future about a complete new course for 29. That takes a little bit more time. So I'm going to do that probably next week. But this video, we'll keep it nice and short. And we're just going to show you guys what the new features entail for version 29 versus 28, guys. Okay, so the first feature that we added into version 29 is the ability to change our signal logic. Okay, so as we can see, guys, right now with the settings page open, we have this new ability right here called signal logic. Now, this has a drop-down menu where if you click this, you get the normal version and the pro scalper version. So normal is the same exact signal logic that we had for version 28, has been unchanged. But we've added the ability to change it into the pro scalper mode. And what this does is it helps you get cleaner, better signals on lower time frames. So if you're trading the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute time frames, I would recommend changing it to the Pro Scalper version because it's going to give you better, cleaner signals overall on your charts. So watch what happens over here, for example, once I turn on the Pro Scalper. We're going to get a lot cleaner signals right over here and over here, guys. As we can see, we turn this on, then what's going to happen, Algo is just going to load, give it a couple seconds, and we're going to have much cleaner signals on our charts as soon as it loads. Right there, as we can see, it cleaned up a lot of the signals on our charts, again, giving us better, more accurate signals if we're on lower time frames. So that's pretty much the main feature that we added to the algorithm for version 29. Now, because of this, we also have two different sensitivities. As we see right over here, we have the normal sensitivity. This sensitivity is only going to work if you're on the normal mode. And then we have the Pro Scalper sensitivity, where this sensitivity is only going to work if we're on the Pro Scalper mode. Now, you can always decrease or increase these box values right here to give us faster or slower signals on our charts and kind of fine tune the signals to your preference. Remember, guys, there's no such thing as the best settings. It all comes down to how you like to trade and what your personal preferences are with your trading strategy, guys. The second feature we added to Elite Algo, guys, is the signal ranging market filter. Now, what this does is when you enable this setting right here, it's going to look back at the previous candles and try to establish if the market was in a range or in a trend. If the market was in a range, then it's going to try to void out the signals that are currently given in that area, thus giving you only signals during trending markets. This is going to help a lot if you're trying to trade with the trend and avoid false signals whenever there's a ranging or consolidating market that you're looking to trade. Now, by changing this number right over here where it says ranging look back, this is going to tell the algorithm how far back do you want it to look in order to establish if it's a ranging or trending market. So right now it's set to 10, which means that it's going to look back at the last 10 candles. You can increase or decrease this number again to fine tune your sensitivity and how you want the algo to behave when you're using it. And then you have the threshold, and this simply means how strict would you like the algorithm to be with its conditions. So lowering this number will make it more strict and increasing this number will make it less strict. So again, you can play around with those settings and see exactly what works best for you and your strategy. Next, guys, we also moved up the AI strength minimum up into this section right here. What this does is very simple. If you only want the AI strength to be, let's say, 2 or higher or 1 or higher, then you can just increase this. So let's say we have a 2 or higher here, then it's going to void out every signal that only had a 1 star or lower on our charts as soon as it loads. Just like that, we increased our trend strength right here and we increase our confirmations that we're looking for on our signals. So very, very simple right here to use. Again, this is just a very, very simple setting that you can adjust to your preference, guys. Next, moving on from this, our new update, we also added the ability to see how strong the trend is when we turn on the rating assistance. So now that we turn it on right here, it's going to show us the rating assistance line just like before in version 28, except with a little bit of a difference, guys. Let me show you guys as soon as it loads on our charts. So as we can see, if the trend is very, very bullish or bearish, then the line is going to get darker. So for example, we can see right here, price started to get very bullish. So the line turned dark. This is giving us extra confirmation that right now is a good trending market. Just like over here, we had the sell and we had a nice bearish momentum for the price start to fiddle out. So we can see that they went from dark red to a light red before turning into a light green, where we start to enter a little bit of a range right here. So this again will just help you with your signals. So if you're using this as a confirmation, then you'll have a better confirmation, a better signal if you're trading a buy signal with a dark green radiant assistance versus a light green radiant assistance. This is just something, again, we added just to help you a little bit with your trades and give you a little bit more confirmation. Now, turning this off, that's pretty much it for this. So next we'll move on to the trend dashboard. So we actually added back the trend dashboard that was in our previous algorithms because you guys liked it so much. So what it did is the time frame, now it's going to tell you if each time frame is bullish or bearish. So if it's red, it is bearish. If it's green, then it's bullish. Very, very simple. It's going to tell you your current session. So right now, for example, we're in the New York session. It's going to tell you your market state, we are ranging or trending, and the previous market strength, market volatility that we had before. It's going to tell you your current sensitivity and the current logic that you're using currently on your charts, guys. Very, very simple. Again, you can adjust how big or small you like it and where you like it to be on the chart. Very simple, guys. The next thing we added is all the way down here at the bottom. Now, this is a little bit deep, so let's get into it right now. So a lot of our members want to use a custom created alert. So if you want to use a trading bot like 3 commas or Pine Connector, for example, to turn Elite Algo into an auto trading bot, now you can go ahead and do so. We don't have any guides on that yet, but we will be releasing guides in the future on how to do that. So if you're not experienced with that stuff, just wait for that guide. But if you're experienced in using webhooks to create custom trading bots on 3 commas or Pine Connector, then you can use this down here. So this over here is a custom strategy builder. So for example, right now, if we want the signal condition to be any signal or a normal signal or a strong buy only, we can do that. So right now we have it as any buy signal, for example, and then we want, let's say, a minimum rating of at least 1. So it would be greater than 1. And if we want the signal to only be taken by our auto trader if the echo cloud is green, we can do that by turning it to bullish. If we want the trend sniper to be bullish as well, only to take the signal, then we can do that. So basically, we can create a bunch of different conditions for our trades, and it's only going to give you the alert if all those conditions are met. That way, if you want to, for example, trade one of our famous strategies, the trend sniper strategy, then you can go ahead and implement all these conditions of that strategy into this, and then simply just create the alert and then connect it to your account. And then what's going to happen is that your account will automatically take trades based on that strategy. So it's incredibly cool. We also have the ability to have your take profits, pick which one you want to use for your strategy. So take profit 1, 2, 3, or 4, and the stop loss 1 or 2. Very, very cool. You can use market volatility. So if you only want to trade if the market volatility is high or low, all that stuff, you can customize that the way you like it. We're going to be coming out with a version in the future that's going to show you guys real-time statistics on the win rate you can expect with whatever conditions you pick on the strategy. That's coming in later, maybe Elite Algo version 30 once that's ready. And that's pretty much it for the update, guys. Let me know how you like it in the comments down below. And if you like this content, you want to see more content like this, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. The next video I'm going to do, again, is going to be a deeper dive into the algo. We're going to do a brand new course video for version 29, so you guys can go ahead and enjoy that as well. And then we're also going to show you guys a few strategy videos for version 29 specifically that you guys can use because we added more stuff like the dashboard so we can have even more confirmations for our trade. So I'm going to make some nice strategy videos for that as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves a good day.